Today I'll be showing you how to make skewers go through water. So what you will need for this is a clear Ziploc bag and some skewers. Don't prick anyone with skewers, be careful and around other people. Now I've already put a few skewers in, so all you need to do for this to work is fill the bag up to halfway, kind of. Just grab some skewers, poke them through. Now the reason this works is the science behind it is that what happens is when you put the skewer through the water, it breaks a chain of water cells, and when that happens, since the chain needs to be made up again, the skewer replaces the water cell that was already there. So that's the science behind it. It's quite easy experiment to do. You can trick your friends by doing it. Now with the clean up, you have to be careful because the water will come spewing out, as you can see now. So make sure you're either outdoors like I am, enjoy the sun, or you are doing it over a tap. And of course be careful with the skewers because they can hit people. You don't want any injury, so just clean up the water in a safe space, and that's what you really need to do. Of course be careful with skewers poking people in the eyes, water spilling out on people. Recommend wearing a jacket if you're outdoors. That makes sure that you don't get any wetness, because of course who wants to be wet on a cold day, or any day to be honest. So that's how you put skewers through a plastic bag filled with water. Thank you for watching.